So now I want to cut a circle out of this heavy glass. This is 12 millimeter glass. So I'm just going to cut the block square because it'll work better for doing the circle. Now we want to start the cut with a chisel. We go in a ways from the edge. We don't want to go right on the corner. We could break the corner a little bit. Now I can go a little bit further if I want. Now this cutter has graduations on it, so I can just set it where I want it. I'm going to cut an 18-inch circle and set like that. I can check my size, make sure we're accurate. And that's good. If you're using 12 millimeter, 2 inches from the edge is good. If you're using 19 millimeter, you might want 3 inches from the edge. You could go as little as 1 inch from the edge, but you're not going to get a very good cut. And if you have to edge it by hand, then you're going to be doing a lot of work. Now, if this was thinner glass, we could just simply turn it over and press it out. But this needs a lot more force, so we have to use our hammer and chisel again. And we have to chisel all the way around. And it looks like it's breaking almost all the way through, but it isn't. It actually only breaks about 1/8 of an inch through there. So after we finish chiseling, then we have to do something to make it go right through. And I want to heat this with a torch now. Now as you're heating this, sometimes if you got your hand on there, you can hear it click. Sometimes you can hear it. Sometimes you can see it going around. And that's actually breaking the glass all the way through the full thickness of the 1/2 inch. I usually go around about 3 times. You want to keep the torch moving. You don't want to get it in one place for too long because it could crack. Now, on a normal circle, we would take our relief cuts like this off the side. On heavy glass, we don't do that. We score the edge. Now we take the torch and we heat it from the circle out to the edge, out to where our cut is, and then it'll run in. Now, if you get it a little over hot, that's what'll happen. It'll break in those pieces there. Otherwise, it gets a straight cut. So I just got a little bit hotter there. Then you just slide the pieces away. And you've got your circle. And you can see we get a pretty nice smooth cut on that. We don't get any chips around. and we get a real nice smooth cut. So it's easy to finish, easy to do a polished edge on it.